Hello, my name is Abby, and today I'm going to be walking you through what is inside your mini PCR kit. So to get things started, we have our mini PCR kit, kit number 2, and we have the PCR mini thermal cycler, and this is number 8, and this is where you're going to be running your PCRs. And we have a plug for a power source and a plug to plug it into the computer as well. And these are the two cords that are the power source for the PCR thermal cycler, and it also comes with the adapter cord to plug it into your computer. Next we have this Clearview spray, which you use to wipe off of the top of the gel electrophoresis chamber for taking pictures. And here is the blue gel electrophoresis. And then this is a plug for that as well. And it comes with this little pop-up tent for viewing and taking pictures. So, yeah. And this is where you are going to, the tray for your gels to set your gels. And then it comes with combs on the back, and the white trays that are in it just pop in and out to be put into the gel electrophoresis. And then we have 3 pipettes in H20 and H200 and an H10. And then we also have the corresponding pipette tips. And it's going to tell you on the box what they're for. So that's for the 10 microliters, so the H10 pipette tips. Alright, and just to quickly walk you through putting it all back together, because that can always be a pain, we are putting back all of the pipettes. The blue gel little pop-up tent for viewing. Our pipette tips, they both go together like that, and then the 2 smaller ones go in their like own little separate spot. Then we have our gel tray and our gel electrophoresis box with the Clearview spray. Then our mini PCR number 16, I think this one actually is, the thermal cycler. The plug for the gel electrophoresis, and then the plugs for the PCR machine as well. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. For more information, go to the yeastorphanproject.com, and this video was funded by the National Science Foundation. Thanks.